Ah, got you. Grandma. You get me every time. It's 'cause I'm skilled. Just 'cause I'm a grandma doesn't mean I'm inexperienced. Or weak. You know, I was the strongest warrior of my time. No, I know, but can you at least give me a chance? Or let me win once? Please? Look, in order to become a skilled hunter, you have to learn all the tricks of the enemy. When you do this, you'll be able to get away from them as quickly as possible, and they will never be able to find you. Grandma, please. Look, like I said, in order for me not to catch you, you have to... Oh, we're being called. We'll talk later. Come. What? I didn't even hear anything. Your hearing will get better over time as well. Comes with good hunting. Look, why do we have to even go to these stupid clan meetings anyway? They're not stupid. They're for good reason. So that the leader can inform us about, well, things that are happening. Well, I don't understand it. Look, I don't know why you ask so many questions. My point being, they're to inform us about things that are going on. How would you like to be sleeping and some two-leg comes up? They could shoot you in a matter of seconds, whether or not you smell them. Of course, that doesn't mean old Grandma here wouldn't be able to help you. Grandma! Like I said, just because I'm old doesn't mean I'm weak. Alright, let's just go to this thing and get it over with. Alright, what's going on today? Another day of training, I see. Complete? Yes. What's her grade for today? B- at best. Grandma, I tried so hard. I know, but pressure encourages you to keep going. B-. I see. Good job. Better than last time. Mom, it's better than an F, isn't it? Coda. Yes, Bracken? This is not the time for joking. Okay. What is it, Fury? Invaders. They took the other pup and the queen trying to defend it. What? No, not Silverstream. And that was our only other pup. Yes, they took her and him. I'm so sorry. But it's another one lost. We can't just keep leaving our pups unguarded. That's the whole reason they're gone. It's the third time this month. I know. But I'll find them. See if they can be... There could be a possibility if they're still alive. There could be a possibility. I thought this wasn't the time for joking. I'm sorry. You're right. This isn't the time for joking. Did you hear that? Yes. Oh no. Why? That bright light shining in her eyes. I don't know, but it hurts. It doesn't affect me. Oh, yes it does. Ow, ow, ow. What is that strange light? Honestly, I must know. It's so fascinating. Next time on Wolves vs. Wars. Please, who are you? No, what are you doing? Please, stop!